guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning everyone. Today's it's not even morning, this afternoon. It's 3 o'clock right now. It's Sunday, May 26th, and today I'm gonna be doing my photo shoot, my birthday photo shoot today. So I'm gonna take you guys along this journey, what we're finna do today. So yeah, stay tuned. You guys, I'm like currently in the car waiting for him. Moody was waiting for me, now I'm waiting for him. This freaking lighting is dark. But yeah, I honestly don't know where he's gonna take me, so it's a little surprise. I don't know where he's coming. I will show you, but yeah. You guys, we just made it to Jersey. Let me see you guys inside. Guys, we made it to the dam and we're just crossing this freaking, what's it called? Trail. I don't get by mosquitoes. And it's freaking cloudy. Look how pretty it is. Whoa. I think we could go down there. I don't know. Oh, there's stairs. Oh, this is... Never mind, that's not it. Whoa. Just kidding. Look how pretty that is. I wish I could like see that way. I'm gonna start taking my pictures. Actually, I didn't freaking bring 2 SIM cards, so I had to switch out the SIM card on my other camera, which is this one. And I guess y'all won't see the behind the scenes until y'all go look at my pictures on Instagram, but it's whatever. Look at that big log though. Let me zoom y'all in. It's so pretty. Let's get straight to these freaking videos, pictures. Look how pretty. It'd be better if the sun was out, but sadly it's not. Guys, look at that. We came down from up there, now we're down here. And look at that. You better get down for the vlog. Oh no, buddy. Hold on.